Hi, my name is Dave Dunaway. I've had CMT. I was first diagnosed when I was 14 years old. I think that was probably the hardest for a teenager to be told that they had contracted a hereditary nerve disorder or just a hereditary neuropathy. But I was very fortunate to have been diagnosed at the age I was, because from what I've heard other people, it took years for them to be, I guess, correctly diagnosed with CMT. And I guess I've been just watching all the other videos
Yeah.
and just watching people walk up and down. And my big thing is I just said, wow, some other people just, because everybody, when you look at CMT, everybody has different symptoms. And everybody just has, it's amazing how much you can help just by changing the way people walk, their gait.
Okay, I'm gonna have you stop right there, David.
No
Okay.
problem.
And you can get your feet kind of even. There you go.
Okay.
So how's your balance feeling right
Yeah,
now?
it's amazing. It is amazing. I mean, I'd be usually grabbing onto the wall, but just the fact that I'm standing still in the same place without falling backwards, even if I lean a little bit backwards, the brace does the work. And the fact that I feel like it literally does almost catch me. So yes, I'm trying to just move back and forth just to make myself feel a little bit more comfortable. But this is amazing. But for myself, over the years, I've used a number of different braces and AFOs. The ones I have right now are the Arizonas, which was really great. It was a low profile. It allowed me to wear shorts. I live in Hawaii, so you want to wear shorts every day. But it allowed me to wear shorts. But I guess my disorder affected my balance so bad, and there was nothing out there that could correct that until I started wearing the Helios. Like this, I could never do this. I could never do this. There's no way I could ever do this. I would guarantee fall out just looking up. Yeah, so that in itself. But I just have to learn how not to walk like this and walk straight.
See the patient, see the person walk.
Yeah. Can I walk?
Yes.
Okay. Just for the maybe 3-4 hours that I've been here working with Mitch and using the Helios braces, I mean, I would say 180 because I can stand for longer than 5 seconds without grabbing something. And that's just, for me, it's amazing. Right now, I'm still learning how to walk, but like just talking with Mitch, it's gonna take a while. I coach. I've always coached basketball, baseball, football, soccer, swimming. I coach pretty much almost everything. But knowing a coach and the mindset he wants to develop in his players or in his athletes, it's basically you want to have kids develop a muscle memory, and it takes time to develop a muscle memory. But with my disability over the years, I mean, I'm 51 years old now and being diagnosed at 14. So I've had maybe 36 years of thinking a certain way about my disability, how to compensate for just muscles not being able to do certain things or myself not being able to do certain things, and compensate with other muscles and maybe not utilizing certain muscles. I've developed muscle memory doing things a certain way. And now I really am learning to walk again. I'm literally like a baby. and it's very difficult. It's frustrating, but I know over the next couple of months, and I will be back in the next couple of months to see Mitch and the people here at Ortho Rehab, who I am so grateful and appreciative to. But to show how much I've learned, how much I've grown, how much I've just changed over the months, and hopefully it's something that we can all be, well, I can be very, very happy with, and I'm already happy. So, but thank you guys so much. I just really, again, appreciate all the help, support, and love and aloha. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you, Dave, and we look forward to your continued success.
Thank you so much, Mitch.